Why should the United States and the West support Iranian anti-regime protesters? For over 40 years, the Islamic Republic has threatened Western security, regional stability, and basic human freedom. Only the Iranian people can end this threat, without war. Since 1979, Iran's regime has chosen confrontation, from the U.S. Embassy hostage crisis to threats against the Strait of Hormuz, and support for groups like Hezbollah, Hamas, and the Houthis. Iran has also supplied drones to Russia for use in Ukraine. These actions form a clear, consistent pattern. Diplomacy has failed to change this regime. Its leaders are driven by an ideology of exporting radical political Islam. Decades of negotiations, sanctions relief, and engagement have not produced lasting change. Any pause in aggression has been brief. Iran also works with America's main rivals. It sells discounted oil to China to weaken sanctions and supports Russia militarily, aiming to reduce U.S. influence and empower authoritarian states. Iran's nuclear program continues to raise global concerns. A nuclear-armed Iran would be even more aggressive and difficult to contain. The human cost is severe. Recent protests saw many civilians killed, while the government shut down the internet to hide violence and silence victims. Supporting freedom of information is a basic human duty. Now, the regime is weaker than it has been in decades. Economic collapse, corruption, and ongoing public resistance have damaged its control. This opportunity will not last forever. The solution is not war or foreign troops. The best path is direct support for the Iranian people. Give them access to information, cut off the regime's proxy routes, and apply real pressure on senior officials and IRGC commanders. Freeze their assets and cryptocurrency holdings. Western governments should also shut down money laundering channels and formally list the IRGC as a terrorist organization. There must be a clear path forward. Among opposition figures, Reza Pahlavi is widely recognized as a unifying national figure, whether as a constitutional leader or through a democratic process. Bottom line, supporting Iranian anti-regime protesters is about standing with people fighting for freedom and protecting global stability. The West has tried silence before. It failed. This is a rare chance to support change without war. Missing it will cost much more later.